Salut les amis, comment allez-vous? Soyez les bienvenus sur Olive Academy. In this video, we are going to continue our lesson on Fondement de la compréhension en lecture 1. Foundation to Reading Comprehension 1. So, this is the chapter 2 of our lesson. Chapitre 2. Chapitre 2. Les syllabes. Les syllabes. So in this chapter, we are going to learn syllables. On y va. Leçon 1. Leçon 1. So, first lesson in this chapter, chapter 2. Les syllabes. Now let's understand what a syllable is before we continue. Chaque mot est composé d'une ou plusieurs syllabes. Chaque mot est composé d'une ou plusieurs syllabes. I'm just reading what we can see here. So this means that every word is made up of one or many syllables. If you don't know what a syllable is, simple, it is a sound that you produce in a word. For example, when I say play, play, how many sounds did I make in pronouncing that word? When I say play, play, how many sounds did I make? You are right, it is one sound, that is play. But when I say player, player, when I say player, how many sounds did I produce? Two sounds. Bravo. So play and ya. Player. That is two syllables. Now let's come back to French. Voyons des exemples. Let's see some examples. Nuit. Nuit. Combien de sons? How many sounds? Combien de sons? How many did you get? Which is nuit. Ah, one sound. One sound. Now, if let's do something. If it is one sound, we clap once. If it is two sounds, we clap twice. Okay, so this one is nuit, one sound. We clap on it. So how many clap did we get from nuit? One. So that is une syllabe. Une syllabe. Because it is one sound, then it means it is one syllable. Is that clear? C'est clair? C'est clair? On y va. Let's move on. Très. Did you clap? Do it now. Très. Très. When I say très, how many times did you clap? Once. Then we have one sound. That is très. Now you will see S is at the end, and the S does not sound. Okay, S does not sound. In fact, the consonants or the consonants do not sound at the end of a word. At the end of a word, the consonant does not sound, in exception of some few words. Okay, in some few words the consonant sound, but majority it doesn't sound. Okay, so that's why we have tre, one sound, and so une syllabe. Wow, this one too is one syllable. Let's move on. On continue. Repas. Repas. Are you clapping? Okay, then how many sound did you get? Oh, did you have the same thing? Repas. That is two sounds. Repas. Then we have deux syllabes. Deux syllabes. Deux syllabes. On continue. Plume. 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 How many sounds? Plume. Nous avons plus, mais, plus, mais, plume. Ce qui nous donne deux syllabes. So it gives us two syllables also. Voyons ceci. Let's look at this one. Voyons ceci. Banane. Banane. Clap and get the sounds for me. Banane. We have ona, ona, banane, banane. Ce qui nous donne trois syllabes. Trois syllabes. Trois syllabes. Consonne. 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 How many sounds did you get? Did you get the three sounds? Consonne. 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 Trois syllabes. Publicité. 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 How many sounds did you get? Did you get publicité? Publicité. Publicité. Then you are right. Combien de syllabes? How many syllables? Combien de syllabes? 4 syllabes. 4 syllabes. Wow. Correspondant. Correspondant. Répétez. Correspondant. 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 How many sounds? Let's check. Correspondant. Correspondant. Combien de syllabes? 4 syllabes. Bravo. Now all the endings in red, you could say that they didn't sound. Okay, they don't sound when you pronounce the word. So we have nuit. trait, repas, plume, banane, consonne, publicité, correspondant. Try on your own. If you have any question, you can send to us. Merci. Au revoir.